Take this example. Evaluate triple integral dx dy dz upon x square plus y square plus z square throughout the volume V of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. You can try directly also. For the sphere, you know what are the limits of integration. Correct? Limits of integration. Minus a less than or equal to x less than or equal to a. What are values of y? Minus root a square minus x square to plus root a square minus x square and so on. But if you use this substitution, change of variables, then the problem is simplified. So we have to use that. Changing Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates, substitution is this. The region of integration changes to this. You repeat that one. You repeat here that one. Therefore, say by changing, sometimes problem in the problem it will be given. Evaluate this by changing to spherical polar coordinates. Using this, substitution also will be given. Substitution, but limits you have to remember. These are the limits for r, pi and theta. Problem is now evaluate this, changing to Cartesian to spherical polar coordinates. This is the substitution. This is the limits of integration. You repeat that one here. Now I come to the problem directly. Dx, dy, dz upon x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, what are the limits? 0 to a, 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, 1 upon x is r square sin square pi cos square theta plus, what is y? R square sin square pi sin square theta plus r square cos square pi cos square pi d pi d theta dr into Jacobian. This is the rule. By changing of variables, this is the formula. J, where x, y, z are substituted. Correct substitution, na? These values are substituted. Sin square pi cos square theta, sin square pi sin square cos square pi. Yes. Into this is important, Jacobian. Zero to a, 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi. Now you separately simplify this. Simplify. Can you simplify this? R square sin square pi cos square theta. How do you simplify? From these two, take r square sin square pi common. I simplify here. R square sin square pi into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus r square cos square pi cos square pi. It is r square sin square pi plus r square cos square pi is r square. So this is r square d phi d theta dr, and Jacobian you have to find out. J is dabba x by dabba x by dabba pi, dabba x by dabba theta, dabba y by dabba pi, or r theta pi in this order. Yes, dabba y by dabba pi, dabba theta, dabba z by dabba z by dabba pi, z by dabba theta. You have solved this as a separate problem in Jacobians while studying Jacobians. You have obtained this x, y, z with respect to r pi theta Jacobian. So it is, what is dabba x by dabba r? I did not write all the steps here. I write only a few steps. Substitution only. What is dabba x by dabba r? What is x? R sin pi cos theta. Therefore, dabba x by dabba r is sin pi cos theta, r cos pi cos theta minus r sin pi sin theta. This is r dabba x by dabba r, dabba x by dabba pi, dabba x by dabba theta. What is dabba y by dabba? Y is r sin pi sin theta. Dabba y by dabba r is sin pi sin theta. Dabba y by dabba pi is r cos pi sin theta. What is dabba y by dabba theta? R sin pi cos theta. In the right hand side there should be a straight line, because determinant notation is this straight line. And dabba z by dabba r, what is that? R cos pi. Dabba z by dabba r is cos pi. Dabba z by dabba pi is minus r sin pi. What is dabba z by dabba theta? What is z? R cos pi. What is dabba z by dabba theta? Therefore, dabba z by dabba theta is 0, because there is no variable theta here. Both r and pi are constant while differentiating with respect to theta. R and pi are constant. What is derivative of constant? 0. Evaluate this. How to evaluate? You know the expansion of determinant. Don't use the properties here, directly evaluate. Expand the determinant. And I write the answer here. R square sin pi. You simplify by expanding, you will get r square sin pi. You leave some space there for the notes, and one page I think it is required to evaluate. I used one page to simplify this determinant. Leave one page, write the answer r square sin pi. Therefore, what is this? R square sin pi. R square sin pi. Actually, d pi d theta dr should be here at the end. So this determinant I have not evaluated, that I have left as exercise, and answer is r square sin pi. You verify that one. So I continue this problem here. What is this? 0 to a, 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi. R square cancels here. Sin pi. What are the limits for pi? Limits for pi is 0 to pi. What are these 0 to pi? Limits for theta. Now I integrate with respect to pi first. Pi first. So I write 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, sin pi, d pi, d theta di. I interchange the order of integration. You can interchange, but the limits also must be changed. Limits assigned to pi are 0 to pi. Function pi are 0 and pi. Am I correct? What is the limits assigned to pi? 0 and pi. So it is 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi, minus cos pi, 0 to pi, d theta di. What is integration of sin pi? Minus cos pi. Minus cos pi. 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi, minus cos pi plus cos 0, d theta di. D theta di. How have you taken on this one? We have substituted here Jacobian r square sin pi. So 0 to a, 0 to 2 pi. What is value of cos pi? Minus 1. So 2 d theta di. 0 to a, 2 common, 0 to a, theta from 0 to 2 pi di. So 2, 0 to a, 2 pi minus 0 di. So 4 pi, 0 to a di. What are the limits assigned to r? 0 and a. 0 and a. So 4 pi, r from 0 to a. 4 pi a is 4 pi a. Next, take one more example. Find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the coordinate planes and the plane x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. By evaluating triple integral over the region B dx dy dz. Again a standard problem it is. This all of you completed 4 pi a answer. We have already obtained volume of the tetrahedron. Correct, volume of the tetrahedron. If f of x y z is 1, triple integral denotes volume. So it is already given by evaluating triple integral 1 dx dy dz. And we have evaluated volume of this tetrahedron bounded by coordinate planes and this plane. X plus y plus z is equal to 1. Their intercepts were 1, 1, 1. But what are the intercepts made by this plane with coordinate x is a0, 0, 0, b0, 0, 0, c. And what is the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by coordinate planes and this plane? 1 by 6, I remember correctly. It is 1 by 6. Now, can anybody guess what is the answer here? Answer must be ABC upon 6. Write this. ABC upon 6 is the answer. Take this as exercise. I have already explained this type of problems. How to express the limits in terms of inequalities. And same problem for tetrahedron, I explained the limits of integration. Only the difference is plane is here this. What is the reason of integration here? Tetrahedron is like this, bounded by 4 triangular faces. Coordinate planes. What are the coordinate planes? X is 0, y is 0, z is 0. And this plane is this ABC is triangle bounded by this plane. X by A, y by B, z by C. It is A 0 0, 0 B 0, 0 0 C. Try to find out this volume. What are the limits of integration here? For the triangle OAB, x varies from 0 to A. Correct? 0 to A. It is bounded by 4 triangular faces. One is this OAB, and second is OBC, OAC, and ABC. 4 faces are there. For this triangle, first we take this triangle, then z varies as xy varies in this triangle. What are the values of z? We have to find out. How x varies here? 0 to A. Because 0 to A, let us take 0 to A. But this is bounded by 3 lines. X is A, x is 0, y is 0, and what is this triangle? X by A plus y by B is 1. This equation of this line, because z is 0 in this plane. So if x varies from 0 to A, y varies from 0 to, solve this, other value will get, this boundary will get. Value for y along this boundary is obtained by solving this. How to get? Is it b into 1 minus x by 1 minus x by. Correspondingly, z varies from 0 to this triangle. Z varies as xy varies in this triangle. Z varies in the triangle ABC. How to get that values? By solving this. What is that? It is 1 minus x by A minus y by B into C, is it? Into C. Ready? Solve. 1 minus x by A minus y by B into C. This is Z. X, Y, Z. Evaluate. Answer is ABC upon 6. Evaluation, you know how to evaluate using this as repeated single integral. Evaluate. Take the answer ABC by 6. Try this as exercise. This completes multiple integrals, and first paper is completed. Riemann integration, improper integrals, beta gamma functions, and multiple integrals. Next, paper 3, statics and Laplace transform. The portion is exactly same. Statics 50%, Laplace transform 50%. From next period I start statics.